Hello, hello all. Myself Ganesh. Today we'll discuss about Microsoft Azure and IBM Cloud Services. What are the concepts we will touches? We will discuss clearly in this session. Okay, 5 minutes wait. Okay, there is one interview questions and there is a certification question is there. Please be careful while listening this. Be carefully listen. What are the concepts are available in what are the concepts IBM Cloud or Microsoft Azure Cloud, Microsoft Azure Cloud. But here everything is in cloud. Okay, in the cloud there is cloud consists of three types. Please carefully listen. Okay, one is public cloud, another one is private cloud, third one is hybrid cloud. Okay, this is the types of the cloud services. Okay, there is IP address for cloud instances. There is internal and external IP address. And I will show you. I will show you a sample demo for GCP environment, Google Cloud Platform. Okay, we'll assign static IP address for external for your practice purpose in real time scenarios. In real time scenarios, there is no external IP address, only internal IP address available. Those IP address we will assign domain for that. So my domain name is middlewaretech.com is my domain. Middlewaretech.com is my domain. Recently I bought the domain. Okay, and I was assigned that assigned the IP address to particular domain. My server name is server1 dot middlewaretech.com is my domain, my server name. I will start my GCP server. How we'll start GCP server? I will show in the real-time scenarios. This is console, GCP console. In this we have show here instances. This is my instance. This is my Active Directory services. Okay, I will both are on for some time. Now, after starting the service, we will log in the particular service. See, this is the zones, regions. This is US Central 1A. This is US Central C, 1C. This is Asia East 2A. This is the regions. Okay. After this, this is my internal IP address and this is external IP address. Already assigned the domain. Already assigned the domain. Okay. This is host stringer. I bought the domain. I will show you sample. This is my domain. Okay. This is my domain. Expire next year. Okay. So here DNS is there. Okay. This is my domain naming system or domain name server. Okay. We can read. This is I added IP external IP address for accessing the resource. This is my external IP address. See 224 224. But in real time scenarios, internal IP will be assigned in the domain purpose. Okay, this is the please careful, and we can do SSH. We can do SSH here. Open browser, or we can do in Mobexterm, or we can use SSH. I already is there. A login. This is I log in the server and perform the operation. Host name. How to take backup of this means there is a snapshot is available. Snapshot is available. See snapshot, and like the directory services also available. Active Directory service directory is there, but Active Directory is available. Okay, Red Hat, OpenShift, and MySQL database, everything is available under the cloud. And MySQL SQL database is there. MySQL is there. Okay, exam is there. Exam server and WAM. Okay, everything is there. Windows 2020, 2019, everything is there. Okay, so RDP port number is 3389 is the RDP port number. Okay, PuTTY port number is 22 is the port number. Okay, who only one IP pair, only one IP pair, only one user login, and we can verify the date and the time, date time, and the DF space -H 72% out of 171%. Okay, DF space -K, DF space -H space dot file system. Now these are some of the services available. I will show practically. This is services, compute, networking. Okay, compute networking and storage, web plus mobile, containers, database, IoT things, and security plus identity and development tools and other tools are available like this. This is my machine and Windows, Linux, and web apps, function and services, all the availables. Okay, and store networking part. This is the compute, cloud compute, C2 instances, and a Linux machine, app services, networking and virtual and load balancer, Azure DNS, is our traffic manager, virtual private network, CDN, content delivery service network, and application gateway. All the things available in the IBM cloud and Azure cloud services. There is one certification question for this. In the IBM cloud, I will write here. Here I will write in IBM cloud we will install in IBM WebSphere application servers. What are the precautions? What are the precautions we will take care? What are the precautions we can take care? And some of the servers are migrated version 8.52, version 9.0, and some of the servers are not migrated. So in this scenario, in this case, we need to deploy the application. It will work or not. Option is A, yes. Option A, worked. Option is B, not working. Option C, none of the above. Option D, all of these. This is the IBM WAS 9.0 certification question. WAS 9.0 certification question. Okay, like this, it will be asking. This is storage services, blob storage, disk storage, queue and file storage purpose, backup and site recovery purpose. Okay, and this is the containers, batch process and Azure container service. Okay, these are the services available. Databases, SQL and SQL stretch database in Azure. Cosmos database in mobile, there is SQLite database is available in mobile services. There is a light database, data factor, artificial intelligence plus cognitive services. This is video and custom speech language and like this available. Data plus analytics, machine learning, data, Power BI and analytic services. Data factor is there in. I am just interacting how services is there. Okay, we can go through by we have awareness of there by using this. If you want, I will share the PPT. IoT Development Center, Azure Hub, IoT and stream analysis purpose. Stream means either live stream or a YouTube and all the three live streams analysis purpose. There is one thing is one URL and identification purpose. There is stream analysis is there, but the UDP port number we will use by the live stream purpose. UDP port number. Okay, and TCP and UDP are available. and UDP is faster than the TCP. Okay, Azure Machine Learning, Event Enterprise Integration, Service Bus, SQL Stretch Database, and Data SQL Stretch Database, and Data Factors, and the Security and Identity Key Vault. In CyberArk also Vault database is there. Like that, here also Key Vault is there. Okay, Active Directory Domain Services, Multi-Factor Authentication for your instance. Okay, like this. And Visual Studio Team Services, application sites, API, application program interface management services, and monitoring and management purpose. There is site recovery and scheduler, Azure, and billing. These are some of the we will discuss here. There is the organization account. In the organization account, it will comes under some of the root accounts, some of the root accounts, one root account for VAS admin, one root account for IAM team, one root account, for AX team. Like this, all root accounts will be measured with organization accounts. Okay, like this. This is the in real time scenarios in the cloud services. Like this, it will be there. If you want evidence, you can check from net. Azure monitoring services, other cloud. See, this is Microsoft Azure Germany and Stack. This is actually IBM cloud. Okay, this is our Power BI services and cloud databases and data sets security and DevOps and application platform hybrid integration and a mobile, like this. Okay, IBM Watson project started 2007. Okay, 2007, and a project started 2007. Lead David and Ferrus started. Initial goal is create system able to process natural language and extract knowledge faster than any other computer or human. And this is the person was chosen because it's a huge challenge computer to find the question to such a human answer to under the time pressure. Watson and was not online. Watson very probably of his answer being right doesn't ring the buzzer if he is not confident to enough. Which question Watson go wrong? Almost interesting as we got right. Okay, this is Watson workload optimized system. This is the optimizer system. Okay, this is IBM 90 plus IBM Power 750 servers are available in this optimizer system, and this is Power 7 cores and a Power 7 3.55 GHz chip memory and 500 GB on chip bandwidth and 10 gigabyte Ethernet network and 15 terabyte of memory, 20 terabyte of disk and a clustering mechanism. Clustering everybody knows. I will show you the sample demo for this. This is the cluster. You see, one is I will make it as a cluster. Cluster means you can achieve failover control. You can achieve the things. Achieve the things and reliability and the scalability. There is two types of. There is three types of cluster mechanism. One is static. Another one is dynamic. Another one is hybrid. Hybrid. Okay, this is the cluster mechanism is there. In the cluster mechanism, cluster 1, we can, this is the members. Cluster 2, this is the members. Cluster 3, this is the members. Due to some reasons, due to some reasons, cluster 1 is down. There is no business loss, no business loss for one server is down. That is nothing but cluster member 1. Cluster member 1. Okay. Another one is cluster member 2, comma 3 is online. No business loss for this. Okay. Request will go to that servers or instances, will go to that instances. Okay, and runs to scale out and such vast amount of unstructured information with the UI and Hadoop open components are available and provide scalability and open platform and exploit Power 7 performance and 10 rack include servers and networking and shared disk system and system and clustering controls. This is Power 7 volt. This is like this it available. This is the Linux supports. So this is Watson. Okay, this is generic framework. Majority of the questions answering system designed to answer factorized question consists of three components: question analysis, document or passive retrieval, and finally answer extraction. This is documentation. Under documented retrieval means fetching the answers. Under like this it will be deliver. Okay, IBM Watson is the more popular cloud services. This is the architecture of the basic cloud architecture. This is IBM cloud architecture. Is this is see I will. This is question topic and analysis. In this, multiple interfaces under their source and generation. Everything is there one by one. Synthesis and hypothesis and evidence like this. Answers and confidence. It will be there. Okay, like this potential business application. There is healthcare or life science and assistance, evidence based collaboration and medicines and technical support. There is teams are available, contact centers or help desk issues. Okay, for any issues in the servers we can contact help desk. Enterprise knowledge management system is there. Government IGA, government and security is there. IGS. Okay, improved information and sharing services. These are the cloud services available in under IBM cloud, and this is Azure services, and one sample demo for cloud services. This is machine images. This is disk. Okay, in the disk there is firewalls are available. This is the image type I am using. In the Google Cloud, I am seeing the sample demo. I am showing this sample demo for cloud services. How services we are using? We are using identify by the tags, and AWS also can identify by the tags for the instances, and the source image is none, and encryption type Google manager the service. Okay, and a monitoring purpose. This is uh, the monitoring purpose, IOPS, and what are the CPU utilization, everything it will monitor. Clone the disk means we can clone the disk, and we can what is the disk, we can use the clone, and we can change the host name and everything. Reservations, there is instance is there on demand instance and a reserved instance are available. Based on instance we can use and we can pay and use. Okay, use and pay. This is the load balancer and the billing and the set of firewall rules, patch management and checks, health checks and OS policies, servers, servers like this asynchronization. After this, these are the component IAM admin. In the IAM admin consists of, this is IAM admin. This is organization policies, service accounts, and these are this. Okay, the VPC, billing, and everything is there. Cloud storage, buckets, monitoring. S3 buckets are available in AWS. Like this, cloud buckets is monitoring. Everything is there. Okay, billing, product and solution, SQL purpose, SQL database security. This is vulnerabilities available and assets and patching management and binary and risk manager and web security scanner. Most important concept, this web security scanner is most important. We can paste the URL and like this we can enable. Hello, web security scanner. Okay, create scan. Okay, we can use like this. Okay, use and pay for the end of the month. Starting URL. This is okay. This is, oh, can you add a URL? I will add. This is, I will add this. Okay, I will add this. Okay, scam from. Okay, save. Schedule daily and save. Daily. You can like that. You can use. Okay, like that. We can use scanning. Okay, like this. This is the basic cloud services. Okay, this is the basic cloud services. I will, okay, this container, IOPS, web apps, app services, functions, traffic manager, CDN, store simple, mobile engagement, and the services, batch apps, container, databases. Mobile, we are using SQLite database, data factory, notification hub, digital services, Data domain services, Azure Dev Test Labs, log analysis. Log analysis, we can use CloudWatch services also in AWS. The here log analysis separating tools available based on the cloud services. Okay, here IT operationalist and cloud orchestration and business rules and application server is there. See, application server runtime, application deployment, cloud factory, containers, microservices, and data integration, data warehouse, enterprise content management, and bare metal services, every virtual servers, load balancer, network applications, everything is there. Okay, cloud services. This is the one of the most popular IBM cloud. Those who are written VAS 9 certifications, these questions must and should be prepared and went for, will go for exam. Okay, this is the sample. We'll come up with very good topic. Okay, we'll stop the sharing.